Original embassy beef chicken.
Yes, man.
Right?
Welcome back to another outdoor street food vibes, guys. When you don't know, from when you see Mickey Yard Life, when you know everywhere we go to the belly. What we're there right now, we are going to show you what one. Literally, we're there right across from United States Embassy. It's there right out the door there. So as you can see, you know we're not allowed for video or nothing like that when it comes on to the United States Embassy. But right now we're inside of the cook shop. Wicked fire blazing cook shop right across from United States Embassy in Kingston, Jamaica. I don't know, I'm coming out of the belly, so you know, say we are getting exclusive today inside of the kitchen. I don't know how to forward with me. So here we go. Everybody who are tuning in, just bless up on yourself, all of my existing subscribers and all of the new subscribers, them one and forward on the channel. If you first time watching, drop a subscribe on the channel and you don't know mad vibes. So we are getting exclusive inside of the kitchen. We can't show no too much of the embassy, guys. Embassy the right across the road. We can't show no too much. I will not allow to video over the embassy, but as I say, with the inside exclusive big eating space if you don't want to sit down and consume the food. You don't know what time it is. And the kitchen the right there, so we are go inside of the kitchen right now. So as I say, exclusive right in front embassy, right across an embassy, exclusive wicked fireside, street side cook shop. And we are getting exclusive, so we are go right inside. Bless up on yourself, forward with me. Before we go inside of the kitchen where I see all of the cooking and thing, they don't know the earnet there. So we're gonna do the right thing and drop in the earnet. Big respect to the brother right as a father box.
Alright, man as my pops.
Every time, exclusive. So
welcome to Pops Restaurant.
Alright, natural vibes. Bless up yourself. Every time, so people we're going inside of the kitchen right now, we're gonna see what going on and pot there. And we're gonna show the earnet. We don't know what time it is.
Yeah,
man, big up in the brown man. One of the big chef, this is the place.
Rice and beef.
Rice and going to pot right there. So. Beautiful. Look at that, man.
Red rice, man. This rice is in Kingston and center.
I'm a curry board. I see my love, you know?
Oh, the curry board, alright. Oh, people, look at that, people.
Yeah, man. Number one curry board, people. Number one. Beef chicken away, so I'm going to
say what's in the small sandwich.
Oh,
fried
nice.
dumpling. See what that look? Wow.
And this is a baked chicken.
Yeah.
So this have some more prepping to go on
Yeah,
and thing, right?
man. In a bruschetta.
Bruschetta and this is the pasta.
Yeah, not just a bit.
Nice.
Wait for the lunch. Lunch time.
This is pork, guys. That's a pork,
You know? Two night pot, I know.
Wait, so it's like another pot right now?
Yeah.
Alright,
Getting ready for your lunch, you know?
exclusive. Whoa.
Yeah,
Look at that,
man.
people. Oh my
Straight
God,
down
man.
for lunch, you know?
Yeah, man, so this is for lunch today, so
Yeah,
what is on the menu for lunch, literally today? So we have pork,
Baked chicken,
baked chicken,
curry goat,
curry goat,
fish,
And
fried
fried
fish.
and fish there too.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
fried chicken, I'm going to have a start for you now.
You don't see me.
Whoa, beautiful.
One for early. I don't know, can't steam too much.
Yeah, look at that one, people, man. Oh my God.
Right.
These are first class rice like this. Look
Yeah,
at
man,
that.
it's really up my running there.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, people as me step in at the place, literally it's just that beautiful food smell that just hit me. Oh my God, people. I'm telling you, food smell good, food look good. Oh my God, right now, We are walking at the pot with brown man cast some rice over here, so I dig up and it looks so good. Look at that, man. Naturally hard vibes. So this is some sauce for the fish. Okay. So all of the ingredients like natural brown seasoning and all everything there. Okra. Okra is going to go in it. Alright. Natural vibes. We have a whole heap of food there today. Food can done. A brown man there. I don't know. Move to the side, you know.
You have to just keep the vibes, you know, keep it going.
True.
Yeah.
What is that up in a pot there?
Chicken and
Wow.
fried.
Nice. Yeah, man. Food non-stop. Non-stop food.
So I did pop just right, you know.
The food, BROWNSTEW, and I'm going to get him a plate.
You can't even jump in for breakfast. If you forward early enough, you can't catch breakfast. Right throughout the day, food smells good. As morning light, food just smells good.
Yam, dumpling, banana.
Crazy vibes, man. Crazy vibes.
See, I'm a fat plate box, right?
So that's why I don't think right. There's a banana in a plate.
And yam.
Oh my God. Look at that, man. Ooh, I got some nice sushi. Hey, that person that is supposed to be nice. Crazy vibe, man.
Crazy vibes. Crazy.
Alright, so back on over rice now. Natural vibe. You know the rice have steam.
Yeah, man, steam properly.
Yeah, brown man. Oh, you get it like that, man. You got a L shape there. Please. Wicked.
I really think, man.
Wicked vibes, man.
Be a chicken, we're going to get a little brush up now, you know?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're going to get a little tap up now.
Just come out of the oven.
Just come out of the oven.
So this what kind of mixture you have right there?
Ketchup and pepper and spice it up to get a better taste, a better spice, you get me?
Nice. Some seafood spice so you not tell me what?
No. KFC now arguing for me like that, so why they arguing? Alright.
So these are the
Pops, beer chicken, alright. Number one beer chicken from Hope Road.
Tell them up to find the spot.
Yeah, man, right in front of the embassy, you can't miss it.
God, man.
Can't miss it. The number one beer chicken, the number one Cork Road. People left from Hanover, Westmoreland just to come for Pops beer chicken, fried chicken, Cork Road, anywhere in Jamaica.
Crazy vibe, man.
Crazy vibes. Yeah, man.
Some supernatural food, they might people from Safari.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. People look at this.
Look at this. When they go in the oven and ready back again, oh my. Oh my.
Right.
Look at it. Number one restaurant on Old Road. Right in front of the embassy. From once you come for a visa, you can't miss it.
Alright. We not tell them Father Pops.
Alright.
We not tell them. Why it smells so good, the spice smells good.
Yeah, man, it's well spiced up, man. Well spiced up. When the bake come out and go back in the oven, it's going to look so lovely. So they don't love us pass through and us try. You know me at that go.
Nice vegetables and spice cut up. What am I going to brown, man?
Fish sauce coming over, you know?
Fish sauce, them are going to people. Yeah, man. And you know, Jamaican always love them skins, so we have some okra right there, so we have carrot. And at this you can see sweet pepper, scallion, crazy vibe, man. Look at that.
Yeah, going to have fish sauce, you know?
Fish sauce, brown man, say. Straight.
Up.
Take a look at the fried chicken. Look at them now. Take a look at the fried chicken.
Look at
Come closer, man. Come closer, man.
Crazy.
Yeah, see?
Whoa.
Beautiful. Alright, let me start get color here. You want one? Yeah, man. Number one chicken.
Number one fried chicken. Number one embassy chicken. Crazy vibe. Crazy. Yeah, not true. Yeah, man. Nice.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You want one, boss?
People ask me to do rabbit too.
Yeah, man, rabbit. Let's start with that. Let's start with the rabbit.
People ask for rabbit more or
them like the rabbit more. Yeah, but people love them pasta same. Yeah, them not live them pasta. People love them macaroni. But maybe I want them that say too much starch, that they know them love too much of the starch, but they love them pasta. They love them pasta same.
I can't blame them because the food it tastes good.
Yeah, they love them pasta with the rice and peas and like it, you know? Yeah, man. I'm going to put them over and brush the other side of it.
Oh, nice.
Finally, you know?
Straight.
Finally, the opportunity, you know? I like it, you know?
Real man, true. Guys, it's been a while. I want to get in that place.
Yeah, so?
You literally when you pass them places, all of the people who come out embassy have to know that spot. So it's been a while. And see, you know, the people get the experience of the brown man, there's a pops there, so, and the people who know that they are food nice. Continue up on the journey with the people. Respect. Remember to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. So the other side again.
Brush, yeah, the other side again. Brush up, you know. Nice. Brush up so you get the right color, the right look and everything.
Carrot,
Everything I want to
cool
do.
down in there. And these are the fish spices.
Yeah, fish spice.
Crazy. Jamaicans love them fish with okra.
Yeah, man.
Quality brown in the night here. Nice.
Pull up on it, you know?
Yeah, man.
I need to keep it on the railway.
Don't make people put the right or something. Oh. Natural.
So I go and see my curry food, I go and railway, you know? Yeah, man.
Right. And another pot of rice and beans. Yes, man. One pot of rice and beans.
So all the people are come today. Plenty today, but busy. We have to tackle them from early, you know? We have to tackle them from early. So I'm done brushing it, put them back in the oven. Give them on 15-20 minutes just back in the oven. And then good to go.
Nice.
Baked chicken, spice.
Original embassy baked chicken.
Original embassy baked chicken.
Yes, man.
I eat them baked chicken and most get the visa.
Yes,
Most.
man.
No ambassador can turn it down.
Yeah, get done now.
That's some coconut, you know?
Oh, really?
Coconut and cow skin. And cow skin, coconut and cow skin. Yeah, man, everything now one, brother. Real.
Beautiful vibes. Food non-stop.
So the cow food, go closer, man.
Food non-stop.
Cow food with the cow skin tonight, you know? Baddest thing with the bean tonight.
Crazy.
Yeah, man.
So what is that? Broad bean?
Yeah, man, grab bean.
Oh my God, man. You know Jamaicans love them.
Yeah, man.
Even them upscale with all them broad bean and left, you know?
You better know.
Oh my God.
I love it.
It look good and it smell good. Yeah, man.
Yeah man, chicken almost fry, you know. We'll give you 15 minutes out of frying. And the chicken up here. What you see it? Nugget color that. Alright, golden nuggets. Are you not going to have food ready?
Yes, man. Bob just asked me if you're going to have the food ready. You know yard life already. Anyway, yard life, you know, go to belly. So I have the food ready. Yeah, man. That rhyme, not true, but people can't wait. Have to dip in the baked chicken. Have to taste the baked chicken today. Have to taste the curry. Good. Wicked United States Embassy curry goat and baked chicken vibes. So, while you're there, just stay tuned. Remember to like the videos, guys. Drop a subscribe. Yeah, man. On our next big chef, like
Look at that.